Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to do an unboxing video for this headphones right here. It's by Lytmi CozyFit. Supposed to be like the most comfortable up-in-ear headphones. And we'll do the unboxing and I'll do like a quick review of it, and then in the end I'll give you my thought on the headphone itself. A little bit about this headphone. It's a premium. It has premium stereo sound, crystal clear, called ultra light at 0.23 ounce, soft silicone wrap, water resistant, and it has a 30 hours of music play, so which is awesome. So that's the box. And what's underneath this one? Let's find out. It's the USB Type-C cable to charge it. And inside it has a user manual. So product review, wearing it, basically it shows you how to use it, and power on and pairing and power off and charging, right? So basic stuff. You guys take a look at it. Here it shows you guys the percentage. And then this product itself, it has a 12 months limited warranty. Support you get lifetime. If you have any issue, you can email at lytmi.co. Official websites here, phone numbers there, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok as well too. So there are many ways you can get in contact with the manufacturer, right? So just open this one. That's where you put it in to charge it. Seems really nice. Right, very flexible cable, not that heavy. Alright guys, so the pairing was really easy, right? So basically, as soon as you open this one, it powers on the headphones, and then you just go to the whatever device you have. I have an iPhone, and you just click on Bluetooth. On the very bottom, it says connect my device, and it has the name, this one right here, and you click on it, and it automatically connects. Very simple, very straightforward. As far as using the headset, it is very comfortable. It's lightweight, you know. I had like the Apple AirPod Pros, and it goes inside my ear. This one a little bit different. It's outside, it's on top, but you don't really feel the heavy weight of it because it's really light. And earlier when I was testing it, I walked from the kitchen all the way to my room, all the way inside, maybe about 20 to 25 steps. And there's no staticky of the sound at all. The sound's very clear, very nice. You know, I was listening to YouTube, and I was calling myself on the other phone, and it's really good, really nice. And this is I'm going to read you some of the operations, the taps, so that way you know. To power it on, you tap and hold it for 4 seconds. And to activate or able voice assistant. You triple tap, answer any call, you double tap, and you can do that either with the left or right headphones. Reject the call, just touch and hold for 2 seconds. And to play or pause, you double tap, same as answer in the call. And for the left one, if you want a volume down, you just single tap and you turn the volume down. And if you touch and hold for 2 seconds, if you, on the left hand side, if you want to go to the previous track, and on the right hand, right headphones, if you single tap, you increase the volumes, and if you touch it and hold it for 2 seconds, it goes to the next track. Same thing if you were playing like a YouTube video, it would go to the next video. So all in all, this is what it looks like when you have it in your phones. The ear, I mean, your ear is really nice, right? So yeah, once again, so I'll leave all the information regarding about this headphones in the description. So just in case if anybody wants to buy and check it out. As far as the quality wise, really nice, and it's very comfortable to wear. So, and quality is really good as well too. So, but other than that, thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, be safe. Till next time.